And hello guys, welcome back sa panibagong video. And guys, today we're playing growing a garden, but this is a fake garden. Growing garden pala guys. Okay guys, nalaro ko na ito guys, pero maganda to. Candy Blossom. Okay. Guys, maganda to na ilaro. And guys, alam ko tong I have a raccoon guys. And I have so many bug egg. Sana makuha natin dragonfly. Okay. Let's hatch. Let's hatch. Caterpillar. Snail. Snail na pangit. Snail. Uy! Ant. Ant ulit. Please, dragonfly. Oh, max inventory always. Ayan. Okay guys. Want to sell? Okay. Pwede na ba? Okay, open na natin. Open na natin guys. Ay, snail. Sell natin yung natin. Dami natin na sa inventory. Sell. Okay, dragonfly please. Ayoko na. All free. It's all free guys. Free to lahat guys. Guys, free lahat to. Alay ko po. Traveler's fruit seed. Pili natin. Pero free lang guys. Okay. Nangawit na yung kamay ko. Meron na tayo Traveler's Fruit Seeds. First time ko lang ito makuha guys. Kaya, don't judge. Sigurado maganda to guys. Okay, next. Bili tayo ng Master Sprinkles. Free lang yan guys. Free lang yun. Show me the gift. Tignan mo guys. Diba? Ang dami ang stock. Pero Master Sprinkles, free. Nangawit na yung kamay ko guys. Okay na ito. Where's my... Just put here. Okay guys, dito tayo. Okay. Strange. Okay. Bili natin to. Daming egg. Daming egg. Dito tayo guys. Daming egg. Para makuha natin kitsune. Okay. Okay guys. Dami natin pets. At meron tayo 25 eggs. Zen eggs 20. Sino mabilis? Matagal. May raccoon na. Dami ako pets guys. Dangerous though. Tayo na lang ako. May raccoon. Take some candy blossom. Bruh. Okay. Nag-join. Kinuha. Kinuha guys. Yan natin. Nag-leave siya eh. Ito. Na. So, let's go. Okay guys. Tayo dito. Naglalagaw. It's 14,000. Okay. Anti-travelers. Meron ako burning bad guys. Madami. So, for 1 million subs, free admin for everyone. Fake lang yan guys, 387 subscribers. Dito tayo. Show me the Zen. I need some Zen. Zen pack tayo guys. This is not a pay to win. It's pay to free. Mga 14 lang. This. Wow, first try. Legendary. Oh, rare naman tayo. Bumaba na naman. Legendary na tayo. Pabalik-balik na. Na, uncommon na tayo. Bro. Bro. Yun, mitigan na tayo. Ay, bumalik na tayo sa legendary. Ay, masaya na naman tayo. Uncommon. Last. Yun, legendary. Pero nga lang, gusto. Wala. Ay, ang dami. Yung blossom gusto natin. Dami natin, 80. At naglalagaw. Please, Moon Blossom. Moonflower, okay, okay. Nakuha natin legendary. No! Legendary na naman. Legendary na tayo. Baka move on naman. Move on. Ay, move on. Moon Blossom na. Ayan, no. Bruh. 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 Please. Brother. Ma, ka magpindot. Ka magpindot dito. Para laki ang. Pindutin mo na. Pindot. Ayan na. Surfit lang. Hindi tayo paldo! Hindi tayo paldo, guys! Try ko po, hindi tayo paldo. Yun. Moon Blossom! Paldo! Paldo! Nakuha natin Moon Blossom. Moon Blossom. Tama na. Tama na, hindi ko na ginagamit. La! Sabi nga tama na eh. Okay na. Diyan. Travelers. Paldo. So, ko naman makuha yung sunflower. Free yan lahat, guys. Free. Ayun na. Ito, guys. Exotic flower. And sunflower ring. Ito. 27. Kaya natin yan. Uy! Rainbow yun. Pink lily. Mythical na tayo, okay? Ayan, common na naman. Puro uncommon na. Lilac na. Legendary na tayo. Goods. Rare na naman po. Fox glue. Kailangan natin ng sunflower. Rose. Uncommon na naman. Rose na naman. Rainbow pack. Malapit na yun eh. Bruh, nakita ko na yung sunflower divine. Please. May ikaw ulit magpindot. Bahala kita. Oo, ulit. Ayan na.